Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add and remove coins from your watch list in the CoinMarketCap application. Your watch list helps you easily track your favorite cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other altcoins all in one place. So, in order to add and remove coins from your watch list, open up the CoinMarketCap application first on your device. Also make sure you're signed into your CoinMarketCap account, and once you're inside, from the home page, tap on the Watchlist button at the top. Now, inside your watch list, if you want to add coins, go ahead and tap on the Add Coins button at the bottom and select your coins you would like to add in your watch list. Tap the coins and you will be able to select them at once, and once done, click on Selected at the bottom in order to add the coins to your watch list. Your selected coins will now appear underneath the watch list tab. Here you will see all the coins you've added with live prices, market caps, and daily changes. If you ever want to remove coins from your watch list, then it's pretty simple too. To remove a coin, open up your watch list here and then select the coin you would like to remove, and then from the top right corner, tap on the star icon and make sure that it is unfilled. Once the star is unfilled, this coin will be removed from your watch list. The selected coin will be removed from your watch list instantly. You can easily create multiple watch lists according to your preferences. That's how you easily add and remove coins from your watch list on CoinMarketCap. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wake&Tech for more step-by-step crypto app tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.